सीधे सीधे कभी वो ज़रा मजबूत
Mahaba pa yung tulad niya.
Sa oras ang meron ng
Oo, dyan. Oo.
Kasi yung consumer
Dyan ka magalis na.
Mas fit mo yung boat.
Oo.
Sandali po mga ka ulit yung gawi ko talaga nakasama ito at meron ka na subagi.
Bumaba tayo ulit eh. Pupunta muna tayo sa beach. Ewan ko lang kung kakanan to. Kakanan o magkakaliwa.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम कामरान भाई वो मेरा दोस्त खुद फारिग होके वो खुद चला गया ठीक है उससे बंदे ले लिया ठीक है उसने जो एहतराम था ना वो खुद चला गया क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं था हता का डूर था और मैंने उससे बोला कि तुम खुद यहाँ जाओ तो उसने शटल दे दिया उनको पेट्रोल पंप में बंदी चेंज हो गए तो चलो हमारा भी बहाना वो पूरा हो गया वो उसको मैंने बोला कि यार हमारी गाड़ी बंद थी गाड़ियों के बीच में तो फिर गाड़ी को रास्ता मिल गया तो मिलते ही आपको उसने बता दिया ठीक है भाई बस अगर रब्ता करना हो तो और एहतराम लड़का है उससे करें ठीक है वो भी टेंशन ख़त्म हो गई उसको पूरा मालूम ओके
Parang India.
Ganito talaga siya. Oo, sa Ginting talaga. Kahit papunta ka. Lalo na sa Ginting. Kasi aakyat talaga ako sa Ginting. Hindi pa nandun ang Buda sa Ginting. Na Buda naman. Hindi ba napuntaan? Kasama ko na. Nakapunta ko. Ay, palagi ako. Kasi may service naman. Oo, may service naman kahit hindi tayo maganda. Hindi tayo talaga ito sa ganda doon. Nag-reply kami doon. Tapos may casino yun. Pumasok kami sa casino. Hindi naman ang bang. Pero nandun lang. Pero bawal kang kumuha ng mga. Okay.
Saan? Ay, oo, malapit lang pala.
Mamaya pupunta tayo. Ako sa video. Which one? Ano na video? Long dress. Okay?
I hope it's cold on the top.
No,
It's cold?
it's not.
It's not? Go back.
Tomorrow I came here, all the cloud is come down here. Sometime the cloud is coming. I will show you the video.
You want we will come early?
Tomorrow. I
Very
will-
early tomorrow.
No. Tomorrow
No?
I reach here 1 o'clock tomorrow because I have too much work. See, it's tomorrow video.
And it's a little bit cold.
It's cold a little bit. Sometime the cloud is coming down here. In winter, every time here cloud.
And snow?
No snow. Only cloud and
Only clouds?
So, ano naman siya, ito naman sa tagot, akala niya talaga. Akala naman talaga yan.
It will drop down. It will take like 10 minutes coming up, no?
Oo, pagbalik na lang.
more than 10 minutes. But this car is new.
Falls na sinasabi ko yung restaurant sa likod.
This is new car, that's why it's going in speed. The other car is going very slowly because it's very high.
Yeah. If it's high, the gravity is pushing you down. So we get like, it's 9 minutes now.
Now we will already reach. Yeah. From here you can make a video, okay?
Video tayo.
When I take YouTube, you can make a video. From here.
May mga pang pa rin siya.
Oh my gosh. And here we go. This is it.
Finally, at the dawn.
Okay, we reach. Kiss to the driver. One each, yeah? Tumawa siya.
Okay, my friends, this is your first location. This is also have restaurant. If you want to go washroom, go inside, directly go down.
Then how
Okay?
many minutes you will give us?
We are here like 25, 30 minutes.
30
Okay?
minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so
If you need coffee, anything, you can get from
after,
here.
yeah, after 35 minutes, we will be back here. And then
If you want to go down, so
Ay, hindi naman pala ano, hindi naman pala.
Oh my God, hindi mo makikita sa baba. Nag-fax yung
Oo, may fa.
Yung-
At saka hindi siya. Ay, punta tayo din.
Al Shuhub Rest Area. It is 580 meters elevation. Okay? Okay? We are at the top.
wow, ang ganda ng flowers.
Sheesh.